Teacher knowledge and behavior is the component of the model that focuses on teachers' knowledge of students and content and on their expertise in classroom management and pedagogy. Teacher knowledge is the element of teacher knowledge and behavior that encompasses knowledge of student characteristics and teachers' in-depth content knowledge, and the blending of these to enhance learning. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. A middle school science class is studying the physics of aviation. In this lesson, the students identify and discuss the parts of an airplane. The teacher uses a diagram to show the students the parts of an airplane. The use of this visual aid demonstrates the teacher's knowledge of student characteristics. Use of the diagram allows the students to use their visual spatial intelligence to understand and locate the different parts of an aircraft.
Okay, notice the design of a World War II twin-engine bomber. Okay, notice how big it is and how long. Let's try the four-engine transport. It's a little what?
Bigger, smaller.
Okay, click back to the World War II one. Okay, notice, now click to the next one. Not too much difference, is there?
On the head there's a point on this one.
Yeah, this one is not as pointed. Go to the next one, single engine. Okay, this is a single engine bomber that they would have had in World War II.
The teacher also addresses his students' visual spatial intelligence by taking them on a field trip to an airport. The students have the opportunity to see real-world examples of the objects and concepts they have talked about in class. This further demonstrates the teacher's knowledge of student characteristics.
This whole thing.
Fuselage.
Notice the shape of this one. This plane almost looks like the one we saw on the CD-ROMs, right? With the wing on top. But it's not, because Mr. Stamp will talk to you about it here in just a minute. These two inside pieces. Flaps. Who knows what we use them for sometimes? Sarah?
Landing and taking off.
Okay, you can use them on landing and taking off. What about these outside pieces?
Ailerons.
See where they break apart right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Kylie, what is it used for? Turning it. What do we call that, Jason?
Roll.
Rolling the plane. There you go. Good job. Okay. This whole piece that goes across the top.
Wing.
The design of this lesson demonstrates the teacher's in-depth content knowledge. His well-defined and clearly stated goals show a deep comprehension of the subject matter.
My main goal is to generate interest in wanting to fly and to learning about it. The main objectives is to learn the 6 parts of the plane and to do a flight pattern, what you saw at the end where we go out and we fly out of Eppley Airfield and come back in using the 6 main instruments on the plane. So there are about 12 things that I want them to know.